Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while, but I'm here, I'm back, and today I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial. So yeah, if you want to learn how to fill in your eyebrows, how I fill in my eyebrows, keep on watching. So the first product I use on my brows is the Urban Decay Brow Blade. So on one side it's like a pencil, and on the other side it's like a very pointy marker type thing. And I use the shade Brunette Betty. It's a little too light, but it does the job. I take the marker, the thin marker tip, and I work it through the front of my brows and create little hair strokes going in the same direction that my hairs grow. So in the front of the brow, going straight up. In the middle, going at an angle. I don't fill much at the end, just very lightly. I usually focus the lines more in the front. So you can see this one's definitely more filled in the front compared to this one. So now that the front of my brows and kind of the sparse areas are filled in with that marker, Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder in number 5. It comes with a lighter and a darker shade. So I'm going to take that lighter shade and lightly brush it in the front. Brush up. And I'm using a little the e.l.f. eyebrow duo brush. So I'm taking the brush like this and pushing it up into the hairs. Very lightly in the front because I already filled it with the Urban Decay marker pencil thingy. So I worked that here to here. Now I'm going to mix the lighter and the darker shade together and work that at the end of the brow. And so here my hairs go to the side and here they go down. And my tail tends to be a little thin, at least on this side. So I do make it a little bit thicker. So for the front, to make it lighter, I always like taking the spoolie and just brushing up to kind of lighten the product. And that's all I do for my brows. I'm going to go ahead and finish this brow off camera, get glam, and I'll be back to show you guys what I put on when all my makeup's done to kind of set the brows in place for the day. So I am in full glam now. I finished my makeup. Now I'm going to show you guys what I use last once my foundation, my powder, and everything is on, because sometimes the powder does transfer to my brows. So I use the Urban Decay Brow Finish Clear Brow Gel. That's just going to keep my brows on no matter what all day long. And that is literally it, you guys. If you have questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. Let me know what else you guys want to see me do on my YouTube channel. I love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting me on this journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys want to see the video on this look, it's going to be a mini tutorial on my Instagram. You guys know my Instagram is Princess Hope. Love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video.